Do you know you can use Google Flow AI to create that high clickable thumbnails on your videos? Do you know that? Do you know that? If you know that, let me know in the comment section. So for those that don't know, please watch this video to the end. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Flow AI to create that thumbnail that would bring and attract massive views on your videos. You know, we all know that major things that will attract viewers and also get clicks from your all intending audience are: number one, your topic, right? We all know that. Secondly, your thumbnail. I mean, this thumbnail is something that people see just in a short clip, and let me just click and know what this video is all about. Most people don't even read your topic. For topic, it only helps the algorithm to know what that video is all about, and also help YouTube algorithm to push it to the right audience. Then once YouTube algorithm pushes your video to the right audience, the audience they have pushed that video to, do they actually take their time? I mean, it's kind of 40 out of 100% audience that would first of all look at the topic and say, okay, let me click. The main thing, the first thing people see is your thumbnail. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Flow AI to create that high clickable thumbnail for your video. So please watch the next clip. I share with you the screen recording on how you can achieve that. But before we do that, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, tell me what you have been waiting for. What have you been waiting for? I mean, these are things you will always benefit from subscribing to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is actually free of charge. Please, if you've not done that, I would like you to use just a second of your time. Click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, so that anytime I upload wonderful videos like this, you will always get notifications to watch my video. Please let me know your feedback as well in the comment section as you watch the screen recording. It is very, very easy. It is free of charge. You must not have your laptop to be able to achieve this. You can do this using your Android phone, so long as it's internet enabled and you have your data. Very easy to create. For beginners, you don't have to use hours creating your thumbnails for your video. So please watch this video to the end as I share with you on how you can use Google Flow AI. Yes, I said it with my full chest. I said using Google Flow AI to achieve that high clickable thumbnails for your video. Let's dive right into the next clip as I share with you the screen recording. So guys, before we go into the screen recording, I would like to tell you what we do on this channel. It's all about helping YouTubers do YouTube the right way. Also help faceless YouTubers to navigate their way through on how to create a wonderful cinematic AI videos. That is for faceless YouTube channel, should in case you don't want to show your face while making your video. And also, if you also like to show your face like I am doing, I help you new YouTubers do YouTube the right way and also know how to navigate through to getting more subscribers and getting watch hours. Basically, generally, to also monetize your channel. So please, if this channel is what you are actually looking for, like I said earlier, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. So now we can dive right into the next clip as I share with you the screen recording. Okay guys, so I'll go straight to Chrome. Then on my Chrome version, I will type in Flow AI. You can watch my previous video. This is very, very easy. So watch the particular Flow AI link I'm going to be going through. So you can see the arrow, just click on this. Then it takes you direct to this interface, the Google Flow AI interface. So here I'll just select the particular email account I'm going to be using to sign in. So if you already created an account, so it will always take you to that interface straight. So here I'm going to be clicking on new project. But before I do that, I'll head on to my YouTube app just to get a particular thumbnail I would like to recreate. So here I'll type thumbnail tutorial on YouTube. So I'll just be looking through any thumbnail that is eye-catchy and that has more views. You understand what I mean? So you wouldn't want to use thumbnail that does not have much views. So Here I'm going to be using Creative Blessings thumbnail. Hi mama, shout out to you. So I'm going to just screenshot this thumbnail on my phone so and get it saved into my phone gallery. So guys, just watch this video step by step. So now after screenshotting, I'll go back to my, and then I'm just going to snap picture of myself I'm going to be using to create my thumbnail, right? Of course, there's no way I'll just use the thumbnail I screenshotted directly from YouTube on my own video. So after snapping, I'll go back to my Flow AI app and then click on the new project. Then on this interface, click on that video option where you see that arrow. I'll turn it back to image, and then my aspect ratio 16.9, and then I'll go straight by creating the image I would like to use. So here I'll click on that download sign. So it takes me into my phone gallery. I'll select the particular picture I snapped, and then I'll also here select the thumbnail I want to recreate on my video. So after doing that, I'll allow it to download directly into this Google Flow AI interface. So just hold on, give it some time. After it's done downloading, you will see the picture would then show. So here it is now done downloading. I would now go straight up to selecting that thumbnail I want to recreate, and then I would type remove the image. So here I'm telling Google Flow AI to remove the image on that thumbnail I already screenshotted. So it's going to give me a plain interface without the image so that I can impute my own image to it. Guys, this is the most easiest way you can create a good thumbnail. Any thumbnail you know that went viral on YouTube, you can recreate it, add one or two things just to make it unique so it doesn't look exactly like that particular thumbnail you screenshotted. So here it has removed the image. So watch what next I'm going to be doing, so that I'm now going to add my own picture to it. So here I'll just select my own image with the plain image. I already removed the image, and I'll say put my image. So once I click put my image, so directly it's going to merge my own image together with the plain image I already removed. The image, that's the one that came from YouTube directly, the one I screenshotted. I hope you understand what I mean. So I'll allow it to load, so I'll see the final product that is going to be coming out. Sometimes bear it in mind, this AI sometimes can malfunction. So here you can see my picture and also the thumbnail write up, right? So here I'm going to just add one or two things just to make it look exactly like the one I screenshotted from YouTube. So here I'm going to type the write up should be thumbnail tutorial fast and easy way using Flow AI. The write-up should be thumbnail tutorial fast and easy using Flow AI. So I'll just send it back and watch what is going to the application is going to create for me. So just give it some time. Please note that this version is the free version. You are not paying any fee, you are not subscribing. It is free of charge. You can simply create as number of images as possible as you want. So just know how to give it your right prompt so that it's going to give you. So you can see, like I said this AI sometimes can malfunction. So you see what it gave me. So which means the prompt is not, is not good enough. So the AI sometimes can make mistakes. So here I'm going to say change the write up on the, I'm going to be more specific, right? because AI sometimes we can confuse AI by giving if we give them the wrong prompt. So change the write-up on the whiteboard background to thumbnail tutorial, easy and fast using Google Flow AI. So let's hold on and watch it give us the final result. So it's almost done downloading. Voila. So you see it has given us the right thing that we needed, but you can see the background there is not really good enough. So I'm going to be changing the background and by giving us another prompt. So I'm going to say make the background. So just hold on, make the background look exactly like the second image. So watch what will come out while maintaining the write-up. So you have to put it there so it doesn't give you another different write-up, right? So watch what will come out of it. It's still loading. You just have to be very patient. It's almost done downloading. Yeah, so voila, we have the sweet thumbnail that we want. So you can see it's looking exactly like what we screenshotted from YouTube. So you just double click on it and download directly into your phone gallery, guys. So within 2 to 3 minutes, if you able to get the right prompt, you get your thumbnail created on Google Flow AI. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this? And if you've tried it, how did it go? Did you enjoy trying it? See you in my next video. If you watch up until this time, I want to say thank you very much for watching my video up until this time. And see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.